To Alvin. Quick three, no good. Rebound by Vince. JP. Passes to Hill. Open for three, no good. Randall with a rebound. Follows it up, no miss. Jake recovers the rebound. Pass it to Yok. Waiting for his teammate. Guarded by Hill. Pass to Mac. Bounce pass to Yok. Asking for a pick. And he's in the shot. Turnover by Blue. 8 minutes 45 remaining in the first quarter. JP against Mac. Almost a steal. Lost the ball by Red. Turnover again by the red team. Saudi, Yok. Thinks about a three. Takes the three, no good. Back in violation. That was a tap by Mac. But a violation by Blue. Back in violation here. JP goes up, takes a shot, no, Jim rebounds it. Yep. Alvin, strong and well controls the board. Anyway, the Bobby was in the glass, but he got fouled by June. That's June's first personnel. Number 16. Blue, 16 is foul. First personal, first team foul on YPBL. 2 shots for Papa P. Short. Second free throw by Papa P, good. First one is missed, second is good. 1-0, that's the first basket of the game. Yok. Takes a jump shot, nope. As touched by Red, ball remains with Blue. Baseline inbound to Yok against Vince. Oh, he got fouled by Vince, 0. That's Vince's first personal, first team foul on Mission Care. 1 team foul for each team. June, the Yok, guarded by Hill. Bounce pass to Aldrin, one-legged jumper, no good. Papa P rebounds it. JP, first surprise, he got fouled by Mac. Number 8, Mac. That's Mac's first personal, second team foul. Basket was good. This is a bonus shot for JP. Oh, that's a violation on Red. Entering too soon or late entry. The score is 3-0. 3-point lead by Mission Care. York orchestrating the play, takes a 3-point shot. Short. Turnover. Next dead ball, okay. Substitution. Wala ano dito, wala pilihan. Basta pasok lang yung kailangan lahat na nakaupo pumasok. WJ. So JP posting up against Igrill. Tap. There's a traveling violation. A little hop, a little skip, and a travel.
Hey, open! Hey!
Joe! first in the first half. EJ, nalaro ka na? You have to come in. Dapat nagtalo muna sa labas. The score is 3-all. Let's go back to the ball game. Red ball, 3 up is the score. 3-3. Time remaining. 4 minutes, 27 in the first quarter. Let's play ball. WJ for 3. Nope. EJ. Papapasok lang. Nakalutang ba dyan? Israel against JP. What a good matchup. Yes. Lucky bounce for Mr. Israel for 2. Score is 5-3. YPBL by 2. WJ lays it up. It's short. Renwell recovers the ball. Using the glass. A blue power move by Renwell. 5 up. Israel. Match up against JP. Joel, steal, almost a steal. They call it by Joel. Harris to Israel. Renwell. All around is Dade for 2 with an assist by Renwell. Rebound and assist by Renwell. 2 stacks. Arnell to Harris. Posting up is EJ against Renwell. Gives it to Joel. Joel bounce back to Arnell. Reverse, no good. JP rebounds it. Medyo may alak pa sa katawan. Kaya mabagal and good. Alak pa sa katawan. Alam na bis. EJ. Bounce pass to Aris. Aris, wow, what a cut by EJ. Pass to Igor. Igor is short. Renwell rebounds it. Pass it to JP. JP bounce pass to Renwell. Too low for Renwell to handle the ball. Time remaining 2 minutes 20 in the first quarter. Igor waiting for his teammate to settle. Oh, a steal by Abel. Rebounded by Renwell again. Rebound by Renwell. Oh, did it hit the ring this time? That was a recent pass. Sayang. Ayun lang tayo nagtatagpo. Igor. Medyo kulang pa sa warm-up si parang EJ. Harris against WJ. Teammates on Tuesday. EJ. Semi-hit, no good. Abel stepping. Ball remains with YPBL Blue. 1 minute 20 remaining in the first quarter. The score is 7-5. Bishop Care 7. Harris, what a cut and pass by EJ. Harris for 2. The score is tied 7-7. JP, wow, 3 points. Will waiting for his teammate. 39 seconds remaining. Cross-court pass. Joel got it. Arnell against Abel. EJ drives. There are 7 on the picks. And EJ got fouled by number Red 23. That's Renwell. First personal on Renwell. Second team foul. Everybody out. You can do the substitution right now. Two misses by EJ. The score remains at 10-7, with Mission Care leading by 3. This is the start of the second quarter. Let's go. Start the clock. Start of the second quarter. Mac. Cross-court pass to Yo. Jumper. No. But I think it got blocked by his teammate. Here. The big Spence 3-point. Nope. June. Controls the board. A steal by Hill. Pass to Dave. Jumper. Nope. June controls the board. Lots of rebound for June. Alvin for 3. Short. Pagati controls the board.
Let's go! Jay,
come on! Speaking to settle.
Jay, come on!
WJ. Dale. Papa P. Back to Dale. Almost lost it, but recovered. Traveling violation on the red. Nobody was looking, so he took the advantage of laying it up for 2. The score is 10-9, 1-point lead by Mission Care. Time remaining 2:35 to go in the first half. Here, passes it to WJ. David, tutok shot, no good. Another rebound by Jim. But a steal by Hill. WJ to Vince. Passes to nobody. Another turnover by Red.
7 minutes.
Rusty from the Labor Day break. Yoke. To Alvin. To June jumper. Strong. A rebound by Vince. Who taps it to Dade. Vince brings down the ball. Vince the Prince to Dade. Against June. Gotta from Dade. Oh, turnover by Red. Last touch by Red. No, not yet, Jimmy. 5 minutes, Jimmy. 5 minutes. Mac. Yoke got fouled by Vince. That's Vince's second personal. First team foul on Mission Care. Oh, what a pass! What a play, what a pass. Averaging 2 points. Now the lead goes to RPBL, 1 point, 11-10, with 6 minutes 30 remaining in the first half. Vince to Papa P. To Alfred, bounce pass. Oh! Almost a steal, recovered by Papa P. Pass to Vince. Turnaround shot, no good. WJ recovers a rebound. Follows up for 2. Rebound and 2 points by WJ. 12-11. Red 9, that's Papa P's first personal. Second team foul on Mission Care. Score is 12-11, Mission Care by 1. We have a visitor, ladies and gentlemen, from the Red Sox. First shot by Wick is good. Score is tied, 12-12. We can do the substitution if you want. It's good. One more shot for Jokic. Pagka pumasok dito, labas niyo.
Hindi, dami na namin, oh.
Go out, go out. Hey, palitan niyo si Yok. Yeah, Joel is in. Here we go. JP against iGrill. He got fouled by iGrill. That's iGrill's first personal. First team foul.
Wala, malitik na lang ako. Anin ka niyo.
Somebody needs to go out for a bell. Okay lang, that's fine. 13-12 is the score. 1 point lead by YPBL. Sayang ang bayad, kailangan pumasok. 2 shots for JB.
Nice one.
Oh, first free throw by JB is good. 13. Second free throw by JB, also good. 1 point lead by Mission Care, 14-13 with 3 minutes 40 remaining. Joel, leading shot. WJ, rebound. JB versus Rose, he got bumped and fouled. And 1. Number 17, EJ's first personal. Second team foul on YTBL. Bonus shot for JB. JB's bonus shot is good. 17-13, 4-point lead by Mission Care. Joel bounce pass to Arnell. And Joel 3 for Joel. So good. Last touch by Blue. Ball goes to Red. With time remaining 2 minutes 45. JP traveling violation. I will. Joel for 3. No. JP long rebound. I will versus JP. Nope. EJ controls the board. Aris. Blocking according to yes. Foul on Papa P. That's Papa P's second personal. 13 foul. 2 shots for Aris Tortello. Ano natin? Paano oh, kaya na. First shot by Harris is good. 17-14 is the score. Rebound by EJ and 1 for EJ. Rebound. Foul on number. Foul on Remo, 23. That's his second personal, 14 foul. The score is 17-16. Oh, shot. EJ shot is good. Now, a tiebreaker with 1 minute to go in the first half. 1 minute to go in the first half. Abel. Pass to Double J. Escapes. Using the left hand. Wow, what a left-handed shot. Assist from Abel. Foul on EJ. That's EJ. Second personal on EJ. 13 foul. WJ's bonus shot is short. Out YPBL. 21 seconds remaining in the first half. The score is 19-17. 2-point lead, Mission Care. Masayin ko. Masayin ko. Para kang ano ombudsman, hindi ko naman yung diba? Tama to. I will bounce pass to EJ. EJ. Travel. Timeout. Red with 7.1 seconds remaining. Go timeout. That's the second timeout. No more timeouts for Mission Care. One timeout still for YPBL. 7 seconds. 7 seconds remaining. Score is 19-17. 2-point lead by Mission Care. Blue, you got one foul here. Let's go. Let's play. There's a jumper. That's the count. The score is high. 19 all. Wow, what a game. I like this game. 19 all. 5-minute break.
When we do this, we have to find another point.
Is it red ball, red ball.
Now you wasting your time. Time is money.
Red ball. Next possession. Blue. Start the clock. Here against Arnell. That's a good matchup. To Papa P versus June. Rebuel. Short. Alvin. Controls it. Bounce pass to York. York spins using the glass. Sa wakas, pumasok din ang dalawa. 21-19. The lead goes to YPBL. Nice steal by Blue. Blue ahead. But the ball was also ahead. Turnover Blue. Hill. Long pass. June steals it. What a steal by June. Playing a good defense tonight. Look for 3. He got fouled by number 0, Vince. I believe that's Vince's third personal foul. First team foul. Third personal on Vince. First team foul. 3 shots for
Hindi nga kami nagtikit eh, pero hindi na nila.
first basket is good.
Okay lang yan.
Nick. basket for you. Also good. One more. June controls the board. Pass to Aldrin. Aldrin for three. Long. Papa P. Controls it. Gives it to JP. JP. Steal by York.
Uy! Over the back! Over the head!
York pass to June. Nice pass, but that was strong. He got fouled by number 8, Mac. That's, I believe that's Mac's first personal, first team foul. Oh, second personal on Mac, correction, second personal. First free throw by Rebel, that's good. The score is 23-20. 3-point lead by YPBL. Miss on the second one. Recovered by Rebel. Here for three. Short. Yep. Rebound. Yup. JP, pass it to Mac, June, Aldrin to Mac, to York, distributing the ball, almost a steal, Aldrin recovers it, bounce pass to June Taylor, yes, rebound leading to June now, 25-20. Vince. Pass it to Hill. JP. Vince. Mac. No foul.
Hey, back!
Yup.
Uy!
Good defense by Mac. Arnell. Mac rebound. Follows up by Will. Last touch by.
Come on, guys! Go back and help out! Come on!
With Drew. Arnell, no good. Okay, let's do the substitution.
Good start, bro.
Apat. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Abel, you can go in. Come on, again. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Para!
Got it to JP. Yes. No basket. Oh, there's a foul. Number 61. Saudi. Foul first before the shot. Sayang. 25-20 is the score. Mission here by YPBL by 5. Abel, pass to Hero for a 2-shot. Ideal power rebound. What a steal by Hero. Abel to WJ for 3. Yeah, oh, net for WJ. 25-23, 2-point lead. YPBL assist by ABEL Label. I will. DJ. Steal by Babin. Ahead to Abel. Abel to WJ for three. Back-to-back three by WJ. Back-to-back assist by Abel. Relax now, relax. It's now a 1-point lead by Mission Care. 26-25. Three by Abel, no good. Rebound by Hill. Abel again. Pass to the board, no good. Natamaan sa mukha si Abel. Nagtawa. Ball goes to right. With 2 minutes 45 remaining in the third quarter. Oh, what a pass! He got fouled by Joel, number 7. First personal on Joel, 13 foul on YPDL, 2 shots for Hill. First basket for Hill is good. 27-25, Mission Care by 2. Second basket, also good for Hill. It's now a 3-point lead for Mission Care, 28-25. 1 minute 50 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Harris. Steal by David. Ahead for WJ. Ball remains with the red.
Elbow. Hey, elbow.
Red ball according to red. Nakaw! Sayang, hindi na nakaw. Rebound by EJ. Zaldo! Red 30. Foul on JP. First personal on JP, second team foul on Mission Care, 40 seconds remaining. Second shot by Salvi is good. 28-26, 2-point lead by Mission Care. WJ to Abel. Abel, pass to JP, but he got fouled by Salvi. That's Salvi's second personal. 14 foul, one more foul, there'll be an penalty. Big ball, 10 seconds remaining.
Come on.
That's the end of the third, 28-26, 2-point lead by Mission Care. Ball goes to blue. Ball goes to blue. Last quarter. Open substitution.
Let's go. Blue
We
ball.
have the 24-second shot clock.
Yeah. The ball, man.
Start the clock.
Nice.
Nice tap. 16 seconds remaining in the shot clock. Aldrin. 15 seconds. June. Very good. Red 30. It's JP.
Hey, slow down.
Foul on JP. That's his
Hey!
33. I'm so sorry. Number 9. That's Papa P.
Oy, penalty tayo ng maaga nito.
Third personal on Dupit. Second team foul on Mission Care. Tatlo rounds lang din yung first basket for Yop, not good.
Sino kailangan mo?
Rebound!
Hawak!
Renault powers for the rebound. He got fouled by number 16, June.
Vince. 2 minutes. I'll sub.
Second personal on June. First team foul on my BBL. 2 shots. Can you fix the net now? There you go. 2 shots for Will. The score is 28-26. Mission
Hindi, last day na
Care.
to. Last day na to.
Basket. First basket by Will Good. 29-26. Tatlo. Huwag po tayong dadaan sa ilalim. Parang may pangit.
One more stop.
Number 89. Ang gagawin niya na. 20-26. Missed by Ivor. Rebound by Redwell. JP. Pass to Will. No, strong. Rebound by EJ.
Baba!
Yep. To Aldrin for 3. No. Rebound by Yep. Looks it up. No. Redwell controls the ball again. Aldrin for 3. Oh, Redwell controls the board again. Sayang. Here. 15-second shot
Tayo!
clock.
Pwesto ka, pwesto.
10 seconds. Basket by JP.
Come on, go back!
I will
Wala yan.
lay up. Oh, so
Vince.
strong. Vince with a rebound. Vince. Renwell is in the basket. Rebound by Renwell. Almost a stop by good effort by Jim. Good effort. Let's give it an A for effort. 10-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. 6 minutes 20.
Nice, Chris.
No good. Rebound by Yep. Yep to Ivor. Back to Yep. 50-second shot clock. Yes, for a layup by Yep. Score is 32-28, 4-point lead. Mission Care with 6 minutes remaining in the ball game. 15-second shot clock. He got fouled. WJ got fouled by number 1. Who's fouled? Oh, Ivor. Second personal on iGrill. Second team foul on YTBL. 2 shots for WJ. First basket, WJ. Pasok, 33-28, 5-point lead. Mission Care. Short. Aldrin. Rebounds it. Steal by WJ. 3 against 2. JP to WJ. Yes, he's in the glass. 35-28. 7-point lead by Mission Care. 50-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Yes, with a layup for two. 35-30. 5-point lead with 4 minutes 30 remaining in the ball game. 50-second shot clock. Foul on number 1, Igrel. That's third personal on Igrel, third team foul on YPBL. Baseline, down. Hill, yes! One assist by WJ for Hill. 37-30. 4 minutes to go. Still a lot of basketball. 7-point lead, Mission Cares, 37-30. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. EJ, yeah! What a lucky bounce for EJ. What a good move. 37-32, 5-point lead. 3:30 remaining. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Good ball. Jamie got that by Igrel number. Fourth personnel. I'm out. Right, PBL. Fourth personnel. Igrel. 14th foul on YPBL. Next foul will be on penalty. 1-on-1. Time remaining 3 minutes. 9 seconds.
Tulong ka agad pag nakawala sa iyo.
Don't give the baseline here. Don't give the baseline. Okay.
I know.
Yeah. Get a point. He's after the baseline. Just bump him. Bump it out.
Let's play ball. Three minutes, 9 seconds remaining. First free throw by JP is good, 38-32. It's a timeout from a timeout. Second basket for JP, also good. 39-32, 7-point lead. Igrel got bumped by red 34, Hill, that's Hill. First personal, 13 foul on Mission Care. 2 shots for Igrel. First free throw by Igrel is good. 39-33. Second free throw on net. 39-34. WJ got fouled by number 17, EJ. 2 shots. Third personal foul on EJ. 50 foul. That's a 2 shot for WJ. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Igrel power move for 2 is good. 41-36. WJ for 3. Shooting foul. That's Luke. First personal, 16 foul. 2 shots for Vince. 1 minute, 31 remaining. Lawless first shot, 42-36. Second shot, also 3 shots for Vince. Second shot is good. 43-36. Kaya may dumadaan na naman sa ilalim. Habang may naglalaro ako kay dadaan. Argel got fouled by number 30. Oh, 30, right? JP. Second personal on JP, 14 foul. 2 shots for Argel. Time remaining, 1:26. 8-point lead, Bishop Care. Sure will. First basket by Argel is good. Second basket also good. 44-38. Anim lang po ang kalamangan ng Bishop Care.
Help! Ikot mo bola.
Hiwalay!
15 second shot clock.
Hiwalay ka!
10 seconds. Double check for 3. Oh, Alvin rebound. Alvin for 3. Yay! 1 minute to go. 1 minute. 44-41. Tatlo lang ang limang.
Galaw.
50 second shot clock.
Don't weak!
10 seconds. Rebound by Arnell. 14 seconds remaining. Alvin. He got fouled. Ang galing ng po. Whose foul is it? Fourth personnel on Redwell. 15 foul on Bishop Care.
Hey, box out!
2 shots for Aldrin. First basket is good. 44-42. 31.8 seconds remaining. Second free throw ahead for Aldrin. 44-43. 15 second shot clock. 10 seconds. Steal by Argel. Stunner steal by Argel. 7 seconds remaining. 2.7 seconds. That's the 7th blue foul. 2 shots for him. 44-33. 3.7 seconds remaining.
Kaya na, naging bato ka. Ito ngayon.
First basket by Hill is good. 45-43. Timeout, Blue. That's their last timeout. No more timeouts for Blue. 2 timeouts for Red. Penalty na sila. Mayroong 5 team fouls. Penalty na kayo, 1-on-1. Pag nag-foul kayo. bilis. No foul. Don't foul. That's the ball game, ladies and gentlemen. Ang ganda ng laro, 35-32, mission clear by 2 points. Our best player of the ball game is... Tumatalahin ka si Ignacio, tumatalon.
Good game.